everyone, I am all for this and I am studying first year BBA Airline and Airport Management in Remo International College. My dream began just like everyone else by watching the flights fly up in the sky, and when I realized that I had an interest in working in this aviation field, I had a really hard time trying to find a proper college for it. After months of researching, I had two options. One of it was Remo, and while the other option was closer to home, it did not quite meet my expectations. So I decided to give Remo a try. I was very much attracted by the uniform, which was what brought me here. So I came here and I had a chance to talk with one of the counselors who let me know about all the courses that are available and about the rules and about the regulations. And I was particularly intrigued by the grooming rules and about the respect and the discipline every student followed around here. I decided to choose Airline Airport Management because I wanted to have a close interaction with the customers and the passengers. At first I was skeptical, but the more I started coming here, the more I realized that there are more good things to this college than what's being told. For example, the coaching was really good, the teachers were very motivating, very encouraging and outgoing. And apart from the curriculum, we have had sports and culturals. And we have also had these guest lectures where I've learned more about the aviation, about what's happening inside the airport, about all the jobs. The second thing that attracted me was that they are giving full aviation assistance for every student here. And as a proof, I have seen my seniors getting into various airlines in just these few weeks. I've seen and I've learned so much that it's given me hope that I can achieve something before I leave the college, and hopefully witness a moment where me and my year mates all get placed in the proper airlines. Thank you.